Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Joe Vegan. And look, I already know what you're thinking. It's that time of year again, the 4th of July. All your friends are getting together, they're putting their stuff on the grill, you know, they got their steaks, their broths, all that good nasty stuff. Look, you know, we're not interested in that. You know, you've got your zucchini, your carrots, you've got all that stuff, but look, you don't want that. You want to arrive in style this year. So I've got something good for you. These barbecue seitan ribs. Now this particular recipe can be found all over the internet with a few little bit of variations. So we're just gonna go with one here and see what happens. Now I've already got my 8x8 baking dish, already lightly greased up, and my oven set to 350 degrees. Now I'll start to mix our dries and our liquids here and see what happens. We'll add 1 cup of this vital wheat gluten, 2 tablespoons of this nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and then we'll hit it with some of this black pepper. And now for the liquids, we'll do 3/4 cup of vegetable broth. Fill that puppy out. Slam. 2 tablespoons of natural peanut butter, a teaspoon of liquid smoke, and a tablespoon of soy sauce. And now we'll mix them together. We'll do dry ingredients here. Stir all that up a little bit. Stir up our liquids. We'll splash this right on here with the dry. Then we'll go ahead and mix this up. We'll watch it thicken a little bit. Now to get down and dirty for America. Just kind of knead this together here. Get everything all nice and mixed up. You'll start to feel it kind of get a little doughy, and that's what you want. All right, now we'll transfer this mixture here over to our greased baking sheet. We'll kind of flatten it out a little bit. You want to keep it intact, but you kind of spread it outwards towards the edges there. Kind of like pizza dough. Then we'll take a knife, we'll cut it right down the middle here. Just like that there. And then we'll take our knife and cut it lengthwise here. About an inch piece each. Inch slice, 1 inch. This will just make it easier to pull apart later. Okay, now we'll transfer these bad boys to the oven for 25 minutes. All right, now we'll take this opportunity to go out and get our grill started. Okay, our coals are rocking. We've hit our 25-minute mark. Let's see what we got here. There we go, okay. And then we'll brush some of our barbecue sauce on top. Most excellent. Now keep your barbecue sauce because this is coming outside with us. All right, now our coals are looking good. We're gonna put these ribs on here, try to fashion them so they won't fall through. What you'll wanna do is put them sauce side down because then later we'll flip them and sauce the other side. Look at that, get a whole bunch of them at once. Let's see if I can do this so they won't fall over. Nice. I'd personally like to thank UMB Bank for this wonderful grill set when I bought my house. Thank you. Okay, now we'll close the grill, let these go for about 5 or 6 minutes or so, and then we'll flip them and do it again. Now I bet you're wondering, why the fanny pack? Here, I'll show you why. Come here, bud. You wanna sit? Easy. That's right. I always carry that thing on me. Okay, we hit our 5 or 6 minutes or whatever we're at. Let's brush them and flip them. These are gonna be tasty. All right, 5 or 6 more minutes. All right, I think we're at our last 5 or 6 minutes. So let's go out there and see what we got. I'm nervous. And ladies and gentlemen, here we have it. Another delicious treat from yours truly. Thank you very much for watching. There'll be a lot more videos to come. You want to be the first to know, please like and subscribe. Have a wonderful, happy, and safe 4th of July, and we'll see you soon.